Hi Chris, Alain here from Expression. I hope you're well. We decided to make this little video to show you some of the interactive and animation features we could put in your app. Of course, the topic of the app I'm going to show you now is completely unrelated to yours, but the features remain the same, so it'll give you a pretty good idea of some of the stuff that we can do. So if I go here into the newsstand and then I launch the magazine, first thing you'll see is the cover is animated, which is kind of cool. So we could do that for you. And if you actually in this one you scrolled the pages by swiping left to right, and you can see there's animation on almost all the pages. Once you get to an actual page with an article or articles, you'll notice that you scroll up and down to read the articles. Now what that does is that it allows you to have very little real estate used and have more content. So we could use that as well. And you can see the really cool social media feature here also that I really like. As you scroll to the other pages, you'll see that there's animation on almost all the pages. So my feeling is that we could do this as well for your pages for the countries, what you're calling the cover stories, which would be really cool. So I'm going to go to the other page here. One of the neat things also that we can do is the pop-ups for the images. So for example, on this image here, if I click here, I get a zoom of the image. As I continue here, if I get to this page, if I click on the icon down here, we could probably make yours a little bit more obvious, but if I click on the icon down here, it'll launch a video. And you'll notice that the video will work even if I'm not connected to the internet, because they're embedded in the app. The last thing I want to show you in here is the navigation, which is really neat. If I swipe up here, I'll just get a little bit closer, you can see it. I can access all the pages of the magazine. I can also access additional features. And then I could just swipe out like that and come back. And I can go back to reading the articles like that. So this is what we have in mind for your magazine. Of course, the layout is going to be completely different, but the features themselves, I think, it could be used in here, are really neat, and I think would really make your app really stand out. Thank you.